Halloween toys over here for kids. We can see. You see? Oh, it works like this. Oh, this one is so dangerous. 33 RMB, $3.5. Okay, let's check this one. We can also check this one. This is 29, $4. And this works. Have sound? No sound? Oh, how much? $34. So if you want some Halloween toys, you can have a look at these models over here. Different products, different SKUs. It looks like blood. Let's see how does it. Oh wow. How much was this? The price is $3. Maybe 5 cartons to 10 cartons, their minimum order quantity. And the prices are very good, and they have so many models over here. So they have the magical items over here, you see. Magic book. Let's see how does this work. Oh, I will learn how she did this. Okay. How did you do Okay, like this. Like this.
你手这样。
他什么金球的？还是不明白？你明白吗？你明白吗？
来，你把手放这。
OK， 放这。
啊，对。然后这个松开，这个你在哪？不是你把手这样拿。
这样吗？I think if I can try for 100 times, I still don't understand. How does this?